Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Healthy Glow. Today's video is a long requested one and I hope it will be very useful for you guys if you apply it. Today's video is on how to improve digestion. From my previous video which was on chronic gastritic and gastric issues or the indigestion problems that I discussed, you can watch that and after that you can start watching this video. This is going to be linked with that video. I hope this will be useful for you guys. How to improve digestion? There are so many do's and don'ts that you need to incorporate as lifestyle changes for improving digestion. You can understand your body by your guts. Understanding your guts means understanding your digestion process. Due to our fast-paced life, we often knowingly or unknowingly damage our guts. According to Ayurveda, 96% of the diseases originate from the stomach. That means unhealthy guts. Today I am going to tell you the do's and don'ts to improve the digestion process of our body. But one must remember something very important. This is not an overnight process. You have to be consistent and at the same time you have to believe on it. Keep your faith and work consistent. That's the basic rule. Number 1, water therapy. This is an ancient Japanese technique of having water in your empty stomach. The time you wake up, immediately that time you take 4 glasses or rather to be clear 1 liter of water. If you cannot consume 1 liter of water, start with 2 glasses of water at least. It will be very good if you can consume hot water in your empty stomach at the morning immediately after waking up. Number 2, check your weight. You must keep an eye on your weight. If you have gained extra pounds, you need to lose those extra pounds immediately. You should keep track your metabolic rate along with your weight. Number 3, take minimum carbohydrate foods. Check on the calorific value of the diet that you are consuming. It will be very helpful if you install apps like Healthify Me that will help you to keep track on your calories. Number 4 and the very important one is stop having static lifestyle. Move, be physically active or at least walk, stroll around the nature. It will actually help you to take inside more oxygen and at the same time improve your metabolic rate and digestion. Now coming to the foods that you should and should not take. Boil jeera with water and keep it overnight. Drink it as the first drink in the morning and see the change. Stew ginger with rock salt. If you do not have rock salt, you can take in black salt. Whether you have a strong sweet tooth or not, take jaggery along with a little bit of ghee after your meals. Jaggery after meals improve digestion, and if you add ghee with it, it is immensely helpful in improving your digestion. As per Ayurveda, we should avoid the combination of any dairy product along with salt. Be it any kind of curry that you are making out of curd and salt or any kind of food that you are making, it's like shahi paneer or shahi anything. Do not mix milk product and salt. Chew fennel seeds or what we call as sauf or mohri in Bengali after having meals. It is very good for your liver. At the same time, secretion of enzymes actually is initiated by chewing of fennel seeds. Post-meal Vajrasana is something that helped me a lot to improve the digestion. So post-meal Vajrasana, at least 2 to 5 minutes after your meals is a very good option. Apart from these, my suggestion will be having a few core exercises that will strengthen your core muscles, and it's very important for your stomach because the guts are located there, and strengthening your core muscles actually eliminates the fat and increases the metabolic rate. That in turn helps in digestion. Last one, very important. Stop taking the meals immediately when you are having your first burp. Now coming to the don'ts. Do not take bath after meals. This is a very important thing, that if you take bath after your meals, that means you are actually slowing down the fire that is in your stomach. Do not drink water after meals. In Ayurveda, it is considered that taking water immediately after your meals is directly proportional as a poison. Avoid refrigerated foods. This is a very important thing. Again, due to the fast-paced life, we tend to depend on the refrigerator. The next is something which I told in the previous video also, that is to maintain the body clock. Do not skip meals. Take your meals at time and make your meals in such a way that you take 6 times a day. Irregular food timing is something which is very dangerous for our health, and it causes disruption in our metabolism. What happens is that our body clock gets confused and it stops secreting those enzymes which are needed for digestion. The next thing is that you need to consume probiotics. Probiotics contain those organisms or microorganisms or those good bacteria which are very good for our gut. So what are the sources of probiotics? Yogurt, curd. Post meals, that is after taking your meal, you can have a little bit of curd mixed with jaggery. That is an excellent combination of probiotic. Also, 1 spoon of cow ghee is very good for improving digestion. You can have daily 1 spoon of cow ghee to improve your digestion. Daily consumption of 1 tablespoon of desi cow ghee is an excellent lubricant for our guts, and it helps immensely in digestion. Last but not the least is to maintain a proper sleep-wake cycle. Make sure you consume 8 glasses of water, 8 hours of sleep, and a stress-free environment. Since this is a long requested video, I hope you liked it. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to get the notifications.